little twist. We gon' pull out the girls with this one, man. Hey, Young Moolah, Cash Money, little twist, I got you, little bro. Hey, look, we told that like, I got you shouting, never let them know. Hey, twist, talk to them girls, twist, shout it.
I never let them know nothing as long as you don't. I'ma tell you, girl, you need to move on. For real G, me meant to ever meet the real me. Forget the TV, cause the things I do on TV, girl, just for the TV. Believe me, girl, I wanna see you, girl. I really wanna see you, girl. You can join me, I make you never wanna leave this world. Why? Cause this is Twist World, the good life. Sitting in the bed, thinking right to the left. When I ask my mom, she the good wife, she can cook right. Believe that, I know you dudes wanna see that. Why you sitting there, wish you could see that. Your girl wishes she could be that. Ha, now we together to the end. And girl, you can be my best friend.
But your man don't know, but your man don't know, but your man don't know, but your man don't know. I'm wrong. Yeah.
Never thought I'd see the day when you wasn't by my side. Listen, I was down for you, girl, put you first in my world, and I thought you were down to ride. Like you didn't want me to take off. It's like you didn't want me to take off. But now I'm leaving.
Listen, I live my life in the limelight. Pap lights, award shows, red floors, bougie bars. Yes, what I'm meant for. And we ain't quite the same as we used to be. My life's in the public eye, I know you don't want yours to be. Truthfully, 2 years in, it's still new to me. I wouldn't say you're comfortable, I would say you're used to me. Hence separating doesn't seem real. They tell me, Chip, keep the girl that you had before the deal. And you could call this my ref flow, cause this decision might determine how the game goes. Every time you get used to me being here, I go. On that note, that's my cue to go.
Never thought I'd see the day when you wasn't by my side. Listen, I was down for you, girl, put you first in my world.
Come with me, stay the night. Just say the words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just too little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just too little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chances come and gone, and you know it's just a little too late. A little too wrong. I'm the shit. 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 I'm the shit.
I wanna confess, but I can't tell my girl what I want. So what do I do? Let it burn inside of me, or will I get away, or will it end in tragedy? Fatal attraction, ready for action. She had a body like Miss Jackson. I knew that it was trouble when she passed by, but she was so fly. She invited me over, so I hopped in the Rover. Then my lady called the phone, and I should've went home, but I let the phone roam, and it was like, I can't keep my shirt on. I swear to God, I can't keep my hands to myself. You know this love affair used to be just years ago, and now it's just too emotional for me. Oh, 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 oh.
bubble it. And you know, say that me see it, me with trouble it. So put it on repeat, my girl. Are you where me need number one? Girl, you are the hottest thing around here. One thing me want, you know me well prepare. Give me the thing, girl, and make me shift it in gear. She pull me close up and give me the stare. She whisper in my ear.
How deep is your love? How deep does it go? How deep is your love?
I'm gonna show you.
Let's explore. How deep is your love? Hey. 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 Let me tell you no. Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. Not sure, remember how to. Gonna be late, but all my girls gon' have to wait. Cause I don't know if I like my outfit. I tried everything in my closet. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this dress and these Jimmy Choos. Taking them off cause I feel a fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'ma step out of this lingerie. Caught up in the bar with something haze in LA. When nothing but your tears. Ooh, it's so funny that you think you're winning. Cause somebody told you who was spinning. Forever, and you can think you can walk out even if you're doubt, but you know that we're in this together. You can't try to push me from you. Nothing you do can pull us apart. Cause it's too late, there's no escape. Might as well face it. Maybe we're stuck with each other, ain't nothing you can do. If you were not there, tell myself that I'd be fine without you. But I'd die if I was not around you. And I can't try to convince you I don't need to be with you. But my only thoughts are thoughts about you. What can I do? Love is like glue. There's no way to tear our hearts apart.
only shit that I sip though. So tell them bring the waitress, and I won't even ask what it hit for. Just send it to the bar like, send it to the bar like, send it to the bar like them niggas over there wanna pop rosé, pop rosé, pop rosé, pop rosé. They say you get paid when you think ahead. Valentine's Day, girl, all you see is pink and red. And everything is on me. Rose spades at a 9-6 Dom P. Hang around us, and I bet you will get to stun on whoever you sitting next to. You put them all on and watch them run with it, and then wait for whatever's next when I'm done with it. And niggas show hate, period. It's like they all pregnant, they late, period. Yeah, and shit's all good. The deal got signed and my split's all good. And some people pretending that it's all good. Say that shit in person, man, I wish y'all would. Yeah, I told you I party with a Zuka. I let them other niggas Grey Goose you, and we about to pop rosé, pop rosé, pop rosé, pop rosé. If your beat gets released, then I'ma take it. If your girl is a freak, then I'ma pay.
I love my chick, 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 I love my chick.